Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a fun YouTube hop where it is JQCrafty subby hop and it is for 1,000 subscribers and we are supposed to scrap lift, and so I found this layout on her Instagram and I will link it down below. And Jacqie has been amazing with all of her layouts. She hit 1,000 subscribers, so we are all celebrating her. Make sure that you go check out her channel, which will be linked down below with all of the other ones that are scrap lifting her. She has a 1,000 subby giveaway that you need to make sure that you are subscribed to everybody, like, comment, all of that fun stuff. So go check out her channel and you'll get all of the goodness of what she is doing for her giveaway and this hop. So make sure you go check out everybody, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do subscribe because I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week along with design teams, collaborations, and just fun YouTube hop. So I got out one of the collections from Simple Stories that I've been trying to use up for, it feels like years now. But I'm getting close. It's pretty well packed. I don't think I'll get this anymore. It didn't help when I got it twice. I got it myself and then I got it in a kit. I love the kit. I love the collection. I'm just kind of tired of using it. So I decided to go and get out all of the fun patterns, and everything is a pattern on pattern on pattern on pattern. And the 2 photos that I am using is of Kaylin when we went on our first like hike or outdoor thing during, you know, the lockdown and whatnot. So I'm finishing up those photos. So I am in 2020 yet, trying to get just all of the things done. I'm almost done with 2020 and I'm going to roll into 2021 here shortly. And it's just the things that I'm doing is that I'm just getting caught up. It's all of just, we had a lot going on in the last 2 years, and it's not that I'm busy, it's just that we had a lot of stuff that happened, and so I want to document it, and that means I have a lot of photos to do. Not a lot, but enough. And I know some of you guys are probably thinking, holy cow, Miranda, how are you in 2021 and 2020 and not like, and you're caught up. Back when I used to scrapbook, I didn't do as much embellishments that I'm doing, and I did a lot of just throwing pictures on paper and kind of just doing whatever, where now I really found my niche. And I know that for me, I take a lot of product and I do a lot of things, and I'm able to just get it done. And plus, I'm telling you guys right now, and gals, that you need to scrapbook or do something crafty or do something for yourself at least 15 minutes a day. And if that means, for me, it's editing a video for 15 minutes or getting out that next layout stuff for my next design, design team layout or layout for YouTube, or hitting up people on Facebook and Instagram with close to my heart. Just something that brings you joy every day, and that'll keep the mojo going. Now, don't get me wrong, I do get burnt out, or I do get different, like I do get where I'm like, I don't want to craft anymore, I don't want to do anything, and I stop. I do have those moments, but I do know that if I keep going with having all of the fun things that I do and keep scrapbooking every day or doing something crafty related, my mind just flourishes just that much more. So there's, I guess, my tidbit. I guess that's, my thing on how I'm able to do all of this and just do. So here I am. I took elements because I didn't want to put the circle on there, and I didn't do all the journaling that she did. And the layout that I picked up, it was a back to school layout. So I know that there's more to talk about there, where here I've already documented quite a bit of these photos. So for me, it's just more of taking that big smile that she had and run with it. So she's smiling pretty big in both these layouts or these photos. And so I was like, ooh, there, smile. and it fits what I'm trying to achieve. So I get these llamas on there. I just pick different things. Now, I'm one of them that I don't care that I don't have an animal in the layout. I'm going to do llamas. Ooh, that would have worked right there too. I was kind of going back and forth, and I'm like, nah, that doesn't look right. And I'm like, nope, this does. And then I moved it and I put it down here. It works down there too, but it's just a point. And I kind of put a little bit of a chronogrammatic, like, in my stickers, but ultimately at the end it still looks really good. I didn't even realize I was doing it until towards the end of the layout. So now I'm just going in and I'm finishing up the little bits and bobs that I do have. Like, I want to add some hearts and just some small little things. As you can tell, I told you I got this like actually 3 different times because I got 3 sticker pads. So I've used quite a bit of this collection. Like, I just need to get done with this. This is like, I love this collection and all, but I'm over it. So here I am. I am just taking out the little bits that I do find that I want to add, like hearts and just something else. And then I do get out my paint stick, my black paint stick, and I add black splatters this time instead of that. And guess what? I didn't even do my doodly background. I should have, because I could have gone in with white and whatnot, but you know, it's there. I did not do it. So here I am. I'm just finishing up the splatters, and then that is it. Make sure you check out the still shots and everybody else that's down below. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.